Hi everyone, if you want to see what I've been up to over the last couple of weeks, then keep on watching. Apologies in advance if you can hear kids playing. I'm in my summer house, I have the door open, and for once it is not raining in the UK, so everyone's out in their gardens. It is Sunday, cloudy, but never ever turn down the chance to get in your garden when you're a kid and it's not raining. I bet half the street have got their paddling pools out as well. Anyway, hope you're well. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name's Alexandra. I am the founder and I help run Crochet Beginners Group over on Facebook, where we have over 146,000, which is mad, members of the crochet community from all over the world. So I will leave the link down below if you are interested and you want to join. You don't have to be a very start off beginner. We accept anybody that crochets or wants to get into crochet. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I don't know if I've already said that, I'm rambling. Anyway, hope everyone is well. I've had a crazy few weeks. So obviously I started my new job, which is going really well. It's really nice. And then I went to see Taylor Swift in Cardiff, who was, sorry, I'm on the flight path for the airport as well, so you can hear the planes going past. Taylor Swift, who was absolutely amazing. We had such a good time in Cardiff, so we went to see her at the Principality Stadium, which used to be called the Millennium Stadium. And it was amazing. It was amazing, from like getting on the train at Bristol Temple Meads. I've never seen so much glitter, so many sequins and so many cowboy hats on a train to Cardiff in my life. From like the police outside the stadium and in the streets, it was just such a really lovely atmosphere. And I don't know how Taylor Swift keeps going for 3.5 hours. That woman is something else. The energy, I don't know where it comes from, but it was such a good night. We danced, we sang, so I took my daughter and her 2 friends. Well, I didn't take them, they kind of took me. Swapping friendship bracelets. Yeah, it was an amazing night. And then last weekend I went to a cross stitch, I know it's not crochet, a cross stitch retreat in Birmingham with my lovely friend Julie, and we had the biggest laugh ever. It was so much fun. I think it was fun because I was with Julie. I mean, I did enjoy myself. So it was a caterpillar cross stitch retreat. I keep saying crochet cross stitch retreat in Birmingham at the Burlington Hotel. So we didn't stay at the hotel because it was £300 for 2 nights, and that's just ridiculous. So we stayed in the Premier Inn, and there was a couple of other ladies that stayed in the Premier Inn with us. We didn't know them, we just kind of all met up there. So we made some new friends. The only thing I will say was there was too many people. It was 300 people in a room in a hotel in tables of 10, and you kind of just sat there and cross-stitched all day. There was nothing else going on. There was like no guest speakers, like no guest designers, no classes. The only reason why we had a class is because we bought the VIP tickets and they had a finishing class, but ours was really rushed because they were running late. And they had to do ours after lunch, and the person who was running the cross stitch retreat had got last minute tickets to Taylor Swift at Wembley, so left early, which not good in my opinion. You know, when people have saved up and paid all this money to go, and then the person who's running it is like, bye, I'm off to go and see Taylor Swift early. So our class felt really rushed. It is a criticism, but it's like no hate intended. But met some absolutely lovely people. really enjoyed the company of other people, and just sitting there and chatting was really nice. So I have finished my, this is Caterpillar Cross Stitch, the Little Buds Florist. This is my first ever cross stitch thing that I've ever done, and everyone's like, I'll show you the back. Everyone's like, oh my god, you're so neat, and I was like, really? Your tension's perfect. So I got this finished actually this week, when because I've been on annual leave, so I didn't do all of it at the retreat. So I'm really pleased about that. It looks a bit shabby because I've had to take it out the hoop because I've started another project and I needed the hoop, but I need to buy a hoop to put this in and frame it. So yeah, this is the Caterpillar Cross Stitch Little Buds Florist. Adorable. They've got some very cute stuff. And then my lovely friend Julie bought me, if you're offended by swear words, is it a swear word? Double meaning swear word, then look away now. So this is from Curious Twist, and it's a cross stitch kit, and it's cactuses that say prick. If you know me, this is very me. I love it, and I have just kind of started. Oh, I'm about to drop it on the floor. This is what I have done so far. Ta-da! So I'm really enjoying that. So that's my cross stitch out of the way. Crochet wise, I forgot to bring my cowl, my crochet long, Sirdar crochet long, in here. So I will insert some B-roll. So I am doing the Sirdar Little Blossom and Buds, I think it's called, crochet along. And I've just got these, I'm on my last 2 panels, which are tapestry panels. And then I've just got the border to go. So I am a bit behind just simply because I've been so busy doing other things that are not crochet or cross stitch. So I've done all these other panels, and I've just got these 2 tapestry panels to finish, and then the border. I've really enjoyed doing it. I really struggle with tapestry crochet, so I made some bobbins so I don't have to faff about and measure out yarn. So I just made some bobbins, which has made it a lot easier to control the amount of ends and stuff that I have floating around, because then it's less to get tangled up. But yeah, that is what I've done so far on that. And then this week I have been making some daisy squares. So this is for a cardigan from All About Amy. I have done, or I am going to do, so I've written it, that's what I'm saying I've done. I have adjusted the pattern. So I've rewritten it because I'm using Stylecraft Chunky, Special Chunky. And her pattern uses Hue, I think it's called Line Brand Hue and Me. You can't, it's really hard to get here. And it's also quite expensive. So I went with the Stylecraft Special Chunky, but I've had to tweak the daisy granny square pattern. So I am going to film a video on this, just because I think this, you don't have to use it for a cardigan. You can use it, it would make like a really nice blanket. It's so cute. So the colours that I'm using are Pale Rose, Mustard and Cream. I'll put links for them below in the description box, and I think it's a size 8. Sure, it's a size 8 crochet hook. I can't remember, but I've had to really like adjust this pattern because obviously it's a different yarn, so I've kind of rewritten it. And I'm going to film a video on how to make one of these. They are so fast to work up because it's chunky. It's not DK, so you can get, I can get one done in about 20 minutes, if that, 15 at a push. And when I do the video, because it does start with a magic circle, I'm going to do a magic circle alternative. So watch out for that video, because I am filming it this week and it will be up. I will pop a link on my Instagram when it's up and ready, and I will also put it on the Facebook, the Crochet Beginners Facebook group. So I've really enjoyed just sat there, because I was in my caravan this week, just sat there crocheting, cross stitching. I had a lovely time and I feel like it's just totally refreshed me. Totally refreshed me. So that's what I've been up to. I haven't got really anything else to say, so we'll leave it there. And hopefully this week, I've got Lily tomorrow, so I'm going to either film the video this afternoon, although I've got to go and get Lily, and I've got to take my dad-in-law to the hospital in a minute, so it'll probably be a bit of a push. So I'll probably film it on Tuesday, so it's up towards the end of the week. I might even put it out on Sunday. I need to get back to having a regular tutorial schedule. It's just really difficult with working shifts. But anyway, that's it. I don't know what else to say apart from happy crocheting, take care, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.